Hello everyone, welcome to Cracku video series. In today's video, let's have a look at some current affairs for CMAT 2024. How many times has Pasang Dawa Sherpa, also known as Padava, successfully reached the summit of Mount Everest? The answer is 26 times. He achieved the feat of reaching the summit of Mount Everest 26 times, equaling the record set by another Nepalese guide, who stated that the blue economy would be a significant contributor to the India's overall economy in the future. The answer is Jitendra Singh. Jitendra Singh, who is the Union Minister, mentioned the importance of the blue economy and the deep ocean mission in India's future economy. Which temple in Rudraprayag, Uttarakhand, has been recently designated as a national monument? The answer is Tunganath Temple. Tunganath, one of the Panch Kedar temples, has been declared a national monument by the central government. Which former Indian cricket captain has been appointed as the brand ambassador for the India's mattress brand Duroflex? The answer is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli has been appointed as the brand ambassador for the Indian mattress brand Duroflex. Who will take oath as the chairman of Union Public Service Commission? The answer is Manoj Soni. He is an educationist who take oath as the chairman of UPSC. Who has been appointed as Slovakia's new caretaker prime minister? The answer is Ludovic Odor. He is the former vice governor of the National Bank of Slovakia. Which documentary won the Best Long Documentary Award at the South Asian Film Festival of Montreal 2023? The answer is Gauri. The documentary Gauri, directed by Kavita Lankesh, received the award. Who has been expelled as the Prime Minister of Libya by the nation's eastern-based parliament? The answer is Fatih Bashaga. What is the name of the bilateral naval exercise between India and Indonesia? The answer is Samudra Shakti 23. The bilateral naval exercise between India and Indonesia is named as Samudra Shakti 23. Who is set to inaugurate the 8th All India Pension Adalat in Delhi? The answer is Jitendra Singh. Union Minister Jitendra Singh will inaugurate the 8th All India Pension Adalat in Delhi. How many startup companies were part of the initial batch in the exchange program between India and Bangladesh? The answer is 10. The initial batch consists of 10 startup companies in the India-Bangladesh exchange program. Which sectors do the startup companies participating in the India-Bangladesh exchange program operate in? The answer is all of the above. The startup operates in various sectors including e-commerce, health, transport, logistics, energy, education, and skill development. In which state does Uttar Pradesh now hold the second position for having the maximum number of geographical indication tagged goods? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has received GI tags for 3 more one district, one product crafts by bringing the total number of GI tagged products in the state to 48. Which crafts were newly awarded the GI tag in Uttar Pradesh under the One District, One Product scheme? The answer is Mainpuri Tarkashi. The 3 newly tagged ODP OP crafts are Mainpuri Tarkashi, Mahoba Gaura Stone Craft, and Shambal Horn Craft. The GI tag promotes the state's traditional crafts and products, boosting the local economy and cultural heritage awareness. Who officially launched the online rural education initiative PAHAL? The answer is Durga Shankar Mishra. Chief Secretary Durga Shankar Mishra launched the PAHAL initiative aimed at providing online education to rural communities. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Competition Commission of India? The answer is Ranveet Kaur. Ranveet Kaur, a 1988 Punjab Cadre IAS officer, has been appointed as the chairperson of CCI. In which district will Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited set up a state-of-the-art ethanol plant? The answer is Una. HPCL is committed to establish an ethanol plant in Jeetpur Baheri in Yuna district with an estimated cost of 500 crore. What percentage in India expected to contribute to global GDP growth over 2023-2024 according to Morgan Stanley? The answer is 16%. India is expected to contribute 16% of global GDP growth over the mentioned period as per Morgan Stanley. Who has been appointed as the President and Chief Operating Officer of Paytm? The answer is Bhavesh Gupta. He has been appointed as the President and COO of Paytm, responsible for overseeing various verticals within the company. Captain Pratima Bulla Maldonado, the highest ranking South Asian woman in the NYPD, was born in which Indian state? The answer is Punjab. She was born in Punjab and is now the highest ranking South Asian woman in the New York Police Department. Zomato partnered with which bank to launch its own unified payments interface offering called Zomato UPI? The answer is ICICI Bank. Zomato has been partnered with ICICI Bank to introduce Zomato UPI for streamlined payments within the Zomato app. Tata Group Chairman N. Chandrasekaran received which French civilian award for strengthening the trade relationship between India and France? The answer is Chevalier de la Légion d'Honneur. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board? The answer is A.K. Jain. A.K. Jain, who is the former coal secretary, has been appointed as the chairman of PNGRB for a period of 5 years. Who will be sworn in as Supreme Court judges after the central government cleared their appointments? The answer is both A and B. Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra and K.V. Vishwanathan are said to be sworn in as Supreme Court judges after the central government's approval. Which city has become the first in India to measure its progress towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals? The answer is Bhopal. Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh, adopted a voluntary local review process to assess its progress on SDGs, becoming the first city in India to do so. What is the title of Ruskin Bond's book released on his 89th birthday, focusing on his experiences during the 60s, 70s and 80s? The answer is The Golden Years. Ruskin Bond's book The Golden Years was published by HarperCollins, India, exploring his experiences from the 60s to the 80s. What's the title of Anshuman Gaikwad's semi-autobiographical book recently released at the Cricket Club of India? The answer is Guts Edmonds Bloodbath. Anshuman Gaikwad, a former Indian Test cricketer, released his book titled Guts Edmonds Bloodbath at the Cricket Club of India. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Tripura Tourism? The answer is Saurav Ganguly. He has been roped in as the brand ambassador for Tripura Tourism, promoting the state's unexplored tourist destinations. During his visit to Papua New Guinea, what is the highest civilian award conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi? The answer is Grand Companion of the Order of Logohu. In which city did Prime Minister Narendra Modi address the 76th session of the World Health Assembly? The answer is Geneva. PM Modi addressed the 76th session of the World Health Assembly in Geneva, Switzerland, congratulating the WHO on its 75th of service. What is the main aim of the Tiger Shark 40 joint Bangladesh-US naval drill exercise? The answer is enhancing strategic capabilities. The exercise aims to enhance the strategic capabilities of both Bangladesh and United States. Who has been elected as the president of FIBA Asia, becoming the first Indian to lead the International Basketball Federation in Asia? The answer is K. Govindraj. Dr. K. Govindraj has been elected as the president of FIBA Asia, a historic moment for Indian basketball. Haribuddha Magar, who climbed Mount Everest with prosthetic legs, is from which country? The answer is Nepal. Haribuddha Magar, a former Gurkha soldier from Nepal, made history by climbing Mount Everest with prosthetic legs. Which novel, translated by Angela Rodel, won the 2023 International Booker Prize? The answer is Time Shelter by Georgy Gospodinov. In which state has the third edition of Khelo India University Games commenced? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. The Khelo India University Games have started in Uttar Pradesh with over 4,000 athletes from 207 universities participating. Which defense shipyard in India has launched the GRSE Accelerated Innovation Nurturing Scheme 2023? The answer is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. GRSE has launched GINS 2023 to promote innovative solutions for technological advancements in shipbuilding by startups. What significant addition will Prime Minister Narendra Modi place near the Speaker's seat in the upcoming inauguration of the new Parliament building? The answer is historic Skepto Shangal. What is the primary objective of the Shashan Aplayadhari initiative launched by the Maharashtra government? The answer is facilitating easy access to government schemes and documents. What milestone has Kerala achieved in its efforts to transform into a digitally empowered society? The answer is it is the first state with 100% digital literacy. Kerala has declared itself as the first total e-government state with a focus on a knowledge-based economy and 100% digital literacy. What crucial agreements were exchanged between India and Australia during a bilateral meeting in Sydney? The answer is agreements on migration and a green hydrogen task force. India and Australia exchanged memorandums of understanding on migration and the establishment of a green hydrogen task force during a bilateral meeting. What is the primary objective of the Memorandum of Understanding signed between the Government of Goa and the Government of Uttarakhand? The answer is strengthening tourism landscapes of both states. What makes Jashwant Singh Birdi's appointment as Coventry's new Lord Mayor significant? The answer is first Sikh councillor in Coventry. Who were re-elected as President and Secretary of the Swimming Federation of India during its annual general body meeting? The answer is R.N. Jayaprakash and Monaldi Chokshi. R.N. Jayaprakash was re-elected as the President and Monaldi Chokshi as the Secretary of the Swimming Federation of India during its annual general body meeting. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Managing Director of IDBI Bank? The answer is Jaykumar S. Pillai. He has been appointed as the Deputy Managing Director of IDBI Bank for a 3-year term. Who assumed office as the Confederation of India Industry President for 2023 to 2024? The answer is R. Dinesh. R. Dinesh, who is the Executive Vice Chairman of TVS Supply Chain Solutions, assumed office as the CII President for 2023 to 2024. Who has been awarded the 57th Jnanpith Award, India's highest literary honor? The answer is Damodar Mauzo. Damodar Mauzo, a Goan short story writer, received the 57th Jnanpith Award. Who has been appointed as the new Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Karnataka Bank? The answer is Sri Krishnan Harihara Sharma. Sri Krishnan Harihara Sharma has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank. Who has been named as the Maharashtra's Smile Ambassador under the Swachh Mukh Abhiyan? The answer is Sachin Tendulkar. He has been named as Maharashtra's Smile Ambassador to spread awareness about oral health. What iconic symbol is featured on the newly minted 75 coin as per the information provided? The answer is lion capital of the Ashoka pillar. 50th question. India recently won the NSC CAVA Women's Volleyball Challenge Cup by defeating which country in the final? The answer is Kazakhstan. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below. If you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you.